People, one of the worst thing when you go to the airport for your relative, and then tell us that 3 o'clock and 8, 9, 10 o'clock, you know, see them. Eh? Every royal, I one of the best comedian right now in the world.
Me reach a airport and me can't soon. Me reach a airport and me can't soon. And I sound the flight around 12 o'clock. And me there. Almost 11 o'clock and me can't soon. You look like I want marathon. Me a run. Me say, about 10 lap me make. Me just a drive from 10.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, you tell me about airport again, man. Me not come phone, man.
Head west.
The next road and come down, man. You no damn bright. I want to go on country bus. Me just a drive. Jesus Christ, up your head. Oh, God. You don't know what time it, as long as you don't live, man. You don't come.
Yeah, man, she monkey.
You see that? Are you causing my son here, my girl? Christ, heavy. Are you carrying the millions? See me, are you?
Millions.
Come, man. Come in here if you go down, man. I'm in here if you stop on Murray's and get piece of fucking goat. And roti. I'm not even the right one, this. Let me see if I eat this. Make me see if I eat this. Make me see if I make curry goat and roti this. Let me see. Jesus says, oh, if you never buy me this, you see? Me did a plan to leave you right at Seaview. Right at Riverton. After me pick up you after the airport. Oh. Rest of pittance, yes. So, but anyways, it's for the money there. At 25, me tell you, you know.
Then 15 me tell you,
50!